Say women are just coming live. See if we see nobody for chat to. We can't see what me I feel. Do I have my phone at charge while I may do this? Pain. Something about me. I don't like to do my hair. I don't like to do my hair. Like, would do my nails and all them things about the ear. The ear is something I don't like though. Only if I have to. Right now, the way tough up and tender. I can't imagine that somebody in my head about them and relax it right now. I would be so annoyed. Today, Wednesday or Thursday? No, today Thursday. Week almost done. I use good old TCB. I've been using this for years. I used to use olive oil at one point also. I'm gonna stop and go back to this. Imagine my ear back I grow faster than the front. Ear back longer than the front. Front stunted on the side. Side of my ear not grow for nothing. And the good thing about when your ear short, like not this length, like shorter, you can just dab the cream over it. Once it starts have a little length if you go through, makes it harder. Makes life a little harder. Not even know if I'm gone over my 6th week. I'm tired. I relax ear, guys. The last time I come live, I relax my ear. People, somebody say, so relax, I still a wear. I never know if people stop relax them ear. I never know. I can't stop because I can't. When I like the ear and when my ear no relax, it just tough and tender, hard to manage. And the funniest thing, I'm used to have tough head. And it's not so tough again. Hi, Andy, good morning. Good morning to you. Well, I'm a robe, I'm gonna mess up, I have to wash it. Because I can't do without that robe like a winter season I come in, you know. Cool. So I have to turn on the heat. The people that living at the house that eat nice, the weather is nice. It's not cool, too cold. Enough for them eyesight, you know, because to me it's cold. And it's not hot. Just have that creep relaxer. I don't have a clue. My hand them tired. I was about to take a shower. I'm like, no, but I could just relax me here. Then take a shower. Oh God, this is not the glassy. Can't get a better. Oh God, this is hard work. Well, in a hard, it's just that. Woo, hurts to hold your end up like this. Anybody there, you're still relaxing here? Oh shit. Me don't know people make people go in on them head, you know. Like me we try and find I Dustin. Me try to find any means and way to do my own ear because me not like people touch me head. Cause my head tender. Me have tender scalp. So all we now do good, it I go do cause I don't want a soul in my head. Oh God. Mighty God. Want to take some but I do probably not disappear though. YouTube have live stream. Oh God, the pain, the pain. Right now, I better just wear my head bald and done. The way me eat did for deal with ear. I love braids, but the last time I braid my ear, it tear out the whole of my ear. Well, not the last time. Every time I braid my ear, the braid tear out my ear. Cause my ear thin. But I wish I could wear some braids. I wish we could have managed some braid, cause then the braid did I stay in my ear a little time. I'm more for worry about me here. Try keeping the braid for 6 months. I joke. And we have people do it and just keep on retouching it. Like every now and again, them go out and touch up the braid. So it look fresh, like round the rim of it. God. Go up around there, cream good. I said that little piece of area grow from January. I cut off my hair January. And I try regrow it. First thing, it grow back the same way. Picky, round the edges, same way. Thin, same way. So it don't make sense when they cut it. I think it's a come back like more healthier. Even though I put the relaxer in it same way, but not change body ear. So I guess I age. I know some people have thick ear. And then have the age span them, so I don't know. We'll go back through the back. Only love can hurt like this. I've got some the gel up here, so I can use the relaxer to lift it if it work. Let's see. Ooh. My dear. Today's what date? Saturday 18. Today the 16th. Hi, Johnny. How are you? Oh, Johnny. Johnny, we're good tonight. Cry. If you wonder what I'm doing, I'm relaxing my hair. Mom, we used to go to school and we used to call the picnic them picky head. Picky head go buy a new head. And me this. If you ask me how I'm doing, I'm blessed. Yes. I had a burn my lamp just week. I wake up long time. Wake up from about 7 o'clock. And I wash or something. Take out trash. Straighten up. Allow me not clean from overnight. You know, I do all of my tidying up from overnight. Wash up dish everything from in the night. Then so I have a whole heap of things to do. Supposed to go with somebody at the mall today. I don't know that one. I'm done with this and take a shower. If you try and find some earrings, and I'm find one with a little bit in the buckle. Not really enough. At this point, I skull me, skin me, relax at the front of you. There's barely any ear there. Oh. I'm trying not to make the relax attachments too. Hey, you want me? Do you relax my ear? I'm doing great. I don't even know if I reached my 6th week, but my head looked terrible. Can't walk up and down look like a mad man every day. No, me I try find rings. I find some, but this not enough. My problem is I don't like going on the road, you know. I don't like going on the road none time at all. I'm not trash them. I relax say now go good no more. Can't mix already. God is good. Find one. I found one. I have more, I have them in about them. Like how I relax my ear, I can't use it. I have to use rings. Can't use them. If the one I made, I got tear off. All the time. All the time. Glad you finally coming. I want to go to the road. I don't want to go outside. I'm scared to get out of school. You at school? Ear glue on and like me a glue ear. Now I used to glue ear in my head all the time. Let me just stop. Cause every time I glue my ear, it out till noon, it tear out. So I had to make a decision and stop. Even though the picky head now grow. The picky head still now grow. Why? Me say, me dear, I care when me stop do the head now grow. The head stunted cutie. So I've got to wash out. You know what? Do one protein treatment. Maybe not today. Maybe when I wash my hair again. Yeah. Trash. Curl boots. So. Oh, no, I'm neutralizing shampoo. Neutralizing. I don't need that. I only think of you on 2 occasions. That's day and night. So I'll go on with your cutie because I think I'm gonna go in the shower. Ear mask. Wash this out of my head. I wonder if we should just wash it out, put the rinse tonight before we go by and shower. I think I should do that. Wash this out now. I don't know if to set this so I can't see. The sink can be clean up. So I'm gonna have to wash my ear in the kitchen. hot. Ooh. What? Those things scratch. What cutie? What scratch? This channel is a food channel, but you can do whatever you want. So right now I'm relaxing my ear. Well, finish relaxing it. Yeah, I wash it out now. Marcella Denbaya. You see, you know, long the neutralizing shampoo you have Devo Isofloss, Jamaica. Somebody asked the channel about roots and culture, Jamaican culture. So that's what I should have said. Now a phone call to get next. Still pink. Them say once it's pink, you want to wash out some more. Just have base my earline with some oil so that when I put the rings in, it don't mess up my face, my earline. I don't mind this darkest brown. There is beauty in the eye. It doesn't never take the desire. We could suddenly. This is only going on the top, but I'm gonna comb through it. I will the color spread a little more. empty the shower cap. It looks smooth. We just put some rings in it. This has sit me a stretch out. So this is a new one and done, but yeah. Chelsea back then. Sure I kept them. Let me take out that one and something. I want to waste it. Sitting on there now. Ah, phone on charge. And I keep this in liquor. Then we go in and shower. That's we can wash it out. At that time, best thing to do. And then now, we come out and shower and we can wrap it up or something. And tie it down. Over Canada get cold, eh? Over the cold, chilly. I should ask. So much of cleanness up. So we pack it up nicely. Use that in a minute. Oh, it looks smooth. Need to fix my toe before it drop off because we don't want a problem. Still have rubbing out, I never want it mess up. So I'm pull it down. Never want it die up. And I yesterday I wash it, I have wash it again because I know the relaxer catch it. Yeah. Can't do this in a cold time, Anyway, I'm gonna log off for this. Guys, bye. Remember, it takes nothing to be kind, so spread some kindness. Stay blessed. Later.